I've got a mystery box, so if you want to see what's in here, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Call me Bandit or hanging out in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a mystery box from the Crème Shop, or Cream Shop, or however they pronounce it. And it was, I don't remember what the price was. It was kind of reasonable, and it is all Disney related. And I said, you know, for the price, I'll give it a try. So right on top, we have this super cute eye mask. Look at that. This is a 3D plushie sleep mask. And then you could pick the red or the pink bag. So I went with the pink bag. Super, super cute. Next, we have some crystal nail files. Always need these. We have smooth strolling printed essence sheet mask. Oh, how cute is that? You're going to have a little Mickey face. We have some press-on nails. Look at those. Oh, so adorable. I don't know if these are big enough for my nail beds, but super cute. We have one of their macaron lip balms, and this is, does it say the flavor? Watermelon taffy. Ooh. And then the last things in this box, and we have a little Mickey Mouse themed holder for all of your Q-tips. And it's got a rounded and a pointed Q-tip in there. All right, so that is my mystery box from the Crème Shop. Tell me your thoughts. Cute stuff. Don't know that I'm going to keep all of it. I think a lot of these are nice giftable items. So we'll see what I end up keeping. I'm definitely going to keep these. And I don't know what else. Maybe this. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.